Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And this particular street is a little bit narrow, but it goes up into like a seminary and up towards what I'd call the traditional historical Portuguese area. So that's kind of cool. Big mamas with a kind of Portuguese, Macanese cuisine, and that looks really, really tasty right there. To come back here again. Thank you. Okay, so right here is called Cais, Travessa do Cais, and we're going to be going up this hill all the way, but we'll give you a little context before we go down. We're basically on this waterfront, so this was right on the Macau side, on the other side is China. I would just kind of walk, give you a little bit of a context of it. Way down there you can see Pont 16, that big yellow building. Sunset Park is right here. And if you keep going all the way to the straight up, you go eventually to the border. And then this will go all the way down to Barra. So that is the Barra direction. And we're on Travessa de Cais. And we are gonna go up this hill. So once we go around the corner, we're gonna go up a hill. And then we're gonna go near the seminary. So so stay tuned for that. Cais Street. C-A-I-S. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so Cais Street. So we are going to go up this way, follow, get out of the busy traffic here. We got some artwork right away. And this particular street is a little bit narrow, but it goes up into like a seminary and up towards what I'd call the traditional historical Portuguese area. In the moment, we're kind of more in this, what was reclaimed land from the ocean. So as Portugal continued to grow, they kind of secured the ocean stronger, and they built up this land. And this was quite a long time ago that they did this. And then they built all these homes everywhere. We did another street recently. There's me. All right. We did this little patio a minute ago. I'll just kind of give you some context to that. This patio runs parallel, and there's like a really cool architecture right there, which is now a coffee shop. And this will just run parallel. And this whole area, there's like all these kind of parallel streets like that. But we'll keep walking down Cais Street. So let me just kind of let this fast moving traffic go by. So this is going to be where we're going to go. That's our target street right there. Travessa do Cais. This is where we came from. And then we're not going to see this in a moment because we're going to go around this corner right here. And now that will be unable to see the context of that one. So this one goes up into the hill. So as you can see, it's going to go up, and then we're going to continue for as far as Cais goes. And we'll also capture anything interesting that we see along the way. Some restaurants, crab restaurant, and that goes right down to the waterfront. Okay, let's see what else we got. Mechanic. Big Mamas. Okay, so we're gonna check out Big Mamas. Here's something too. I don't know, can't tell what that is. It looks like it's some kind of exotic fruit. Big Mamas. Next to Mechanic. Let's see what that is. Wow, that looks pretty good. So they got traditional Portuguese cuisine here. Prawns, squid rice, minchi. This is very Macanese. Portuguese chicken rice. a la carte, beef spare ribs. So this is actually Portuguese, Malcanese one. I just kind of see. Hello. I'm just gonna take a look. So, okay. Is it Malcanese or Portuguese? Yeah. I think Malcanese cuisine, Macau cuisine, Portuguese. Wow, very cool. And I got a story. Let me take a look at the story. 1928. Okay, so 1928, Yahoo. Okay. Thank you so much. So, okay, pretty cool. So we'll come back out and then we'll just kind of highlight this real quick. So that's kind of cool. Big mamas with a kind of Portuguese, Malcanese cuisine, and that looks really tasty right there. To come back here again. Thank you. We also got Halo, which is okay. So that looks like a nice restaurant. Beautiful. Hello. So that one I have to come back to again a little bit later. It's called Big Mama's Restaurant. Okay, so let's kind of come across here. So we're gonna keep going up here. This one looks like this is what you see when a temple is nearby, and I think a temple is up on that hill a little bit. So it must be up there. So we're still on our Travessa do Cais. And we're gonna keep on going up here. I believe this is the same street. That's our target street right here. Let's see. I think I just went down this one recently. This is a Piranha Street. And we are going to... So this actually changes streets. So that actually turns into a different street. So this one, that one is even more interesting. But I think I should give credit to this street. Finish this one. This is Cais Street. Now you kind of got to see what this one looks like a little bit. And then you can see these more blocky apartment style. It's more different than the Portuguese historic sides. Here's another little patio. It's kind of a short little patio, just ends right in that space. And yeah. That right there, that yellow building is a temple right there. So I really shouldn't focus on that right now because but that one is a nice temple, and there's also like a seminary Portuguese, so that gets up into the Portuguese area a little bit. So we're gonna end for our Cais Street, which is right below here. Then if you want to watch where the street leads up to, it's going to go up to this one. But Cais is going to be our ending right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado, la